we go, and 1. Okay, so my name's John K. Miles. I'm a composer, and I've been invited to work with Chris Woods, another composer, and fine guitarist, to work with some young people exploring different aspects of composition in a practical way with their own instruments, and also instruments that are available to everybody, like their voices and their bodies and anything that's available to the group.
Compose it's a collaborative workshop, really, spread over 3 phases, and it's inviting young people to work together collaboratively, and myself and John, we facilitate the workshops, and the idea really is to create together, very much focused on the process of that and learning from each other in the group, sharing our ideas, and yeah, learning some new ones, most importantly.
I think it's a really good idea to get young people involved into learning how to make good pieces of music. So at the moment, a lot of the music is auto-tuned, or it's written on a computer, and I think that it's good that young people start to make music by themselves without computers, and make it real again.
I also get to use this to kind of change my view on what I personally like to do, is musical theatre. I get to look beneath it and annotate what the reason is for doing things, seeing why you would stop at a certain point, or why you would use an offbeat, or why you would use a crescendo and things like that. So I get to see the reasoning behind the music, which I love.
I think that a lot of other younger musicians should come to this composing course, because I think it's a really good idea, and I think that it's really good that Soundstorm are doing this. I think I ought to say thank you, really, because I think it's a really good opportunity.
Into music across the board, and he's written little bits since he was quite young, so to be able to bring that into the responsibility of working with a team is invaluable. Thank you very much.
I think the best bit about a project like this is getting to meet the new people and find people who also have the same interests as you do.
The best thing I got out of it would probably be the lyric writing, because that was something I've been wanting to do for a while, and I hadn't known how to start it, but now I have an idea and I reckon I could probably do it.
Well, out of it I got composing skills using technology and using my instruments, and learning in a group as well, and learning to conduct a larger group.
I feel like it grows my confidence, because all of these Soundstorm projects that they run, it's a really good opportunity to see other people and what talents they have and just work with them, and it increases your confidence, and it also increases your skill levels, so it's just an all-rounded really good experience.